DS Automobiles, a premium French automotive brand, has introduced the 2023 DS9, which is a remarkable embodiment of innovation and luxury. One of the striking features is the DS Iris, the new multimedia system by DS Automobiles. Furthermore, the model also boasts of newly introduced interior furnishings that elevate the passenger experience. For the Italian market, 3 specifications have been unveiled, namely Rivoli Plus, OPÉRA, and Esprit de Voyage collection. These specifications are characterized by exclusive Grigio Perla interiors, which adds a layer of sophistication to the overall design. The entire range of this model is electrified, featuring 2 plug-in hybrid transmissions, E-Tense 250 and E-Tense 4x4 360, priced between €64,000 and €87,000. The DS Iris system is a noteworthy feature. It comes with an entirely redesigned interface that is customizable, responsive, and fluid. Moreover, it is equipped with Iris natural voice recognition. The 12-inch high-resolution touchscreen showcases a menu with widgets for easy access to functionalities such as 3D connected navigation, air conditioning, digital audio sources, and trip data. The screen also displays a 360-degree view from high-resolution digital cameras and can access mirror screen, CarPlay, and Android Auto via Wi-Fi or 2 USB-C ports. Additionally, the DS Iris system's connected navigation assists drivers in choosing the best routes by monitoring traffic conditions and calculating real-time paths. It displays hazardous areas, speed controls, weather forecasts, locations of fuel stations and public parking, along with charging stations. For outdoor parking, the DS Iris system shows the likelihood of finding a parking spot in major cities. All updates are performed automatically. The DS Iris system seamlessly connects to the MyDS mobile app, enabling users to send destinations from their smartphones to the car's screen. Moreover, the app allows users to program ventilation preconditioning or battery charging, check battery status, view data from previous trips, receive proactive maintenance alerts, and remotely control locks, lights, and horn. A new addition to the range is the OPÉRA specification. It comes packed with features and technologies like the revolutionary DS Active Scan suspension, which is controlled by a camera. This system enables the vehicle's suspension to adapt to road imperfections, ensuring exceptional comfort for the passengers. The OPÉRA specification also includes the extended safety pack with semi-autonomous DS Drive Assist Level 2, DS Driver Attention Monitoring, and DS Night Vision. Furthermore, it features an exclusive FOCAL Electra audio system, DS Lounge Pack for rear passengers, automatic dual-zone climate control, heated, massaging, and cooling rear seats, an electric sunroof, electric hood, heated windshield, and anti-theft alarm. The elegance of the OPÉRA specification is epitomized by Napa leather upholstery available in 3 distinct colors: Art Rubis Red, Art Basalt Black, and the new Grigio Perla. The seats are adorned with the DS logo, and the interiors exhibit exclusive leather trim, with a new Alcantara gray headliner bringing light into the cabin. Another exquisite offering is the Esprit de Voyage collection. It showcases unique refinement, characterized by light-colored exclusive Napa leather interiors. The central console, dashboard, and door panels are all clad in Grigio Perla Napa leather. The cabin's upholstery is completely covered in Grigio Perla Alcantara. Externally, the E-Tense 250 version of the Esprit de Voyage is distinguishable by its new 19-inch chambord rims with anthra gray matte finishes. In contrast, the E-Tense 4x4 360 model keeps its 20-inch rims fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. This model is available in 4 colors: crystal gray, imperial blue, platinum gray, and pearl black. Lastly, the powertrain of the 2023 DS9 is an all-plug-in hybrid, ranging from 250 to 360 horsepower, with the latter having all-wheel drive. The top-tier E-Tense 4x4 360 combines a 200 horsepower 4-cylinder thermal engine with 2 electric motors. It also includes a 15.6 kilowatt-hour battery that benefits from advanced energy management to cater to various demands. The E-Tense 250 features a 4-cylinder 200 horsepower PureTech engine accompanied by an 110 horsepower electric motor. The 15.6 kilowatt-hour battery can cover up to 85 kilometers according to the urban WLTP cycle. This model provides an impeccable balance between performance and efficiency, making the DS9 an enticing option for discerning drivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.